5021, you weekend trader warriors. Here you go. You're coming into that 50-day moving average. I do not put a lot behind today because you don't have the volume. Where is the volume to push that up? We're going to come and test that 50-day simple moving average. If we get above that, then we can get buy side volume. But we didn't have it. We had a gap. We had an options expiration Friday. Not only that, it was the mid-year 1.9 trillion expiration in total dollars, and 98% of it went up in smoke. That's how much money was lost in these markets, period. So one of the things that we want to make sure is you don't have the buy side volume, but once again, when we rally, if we look at, we can rally up before you make a new low. The bear market's still here. We got earnings season. We are calling for the fact that this market had every reason to sell off and it didn't. And you had an upside movement in the calendar month of July. Now, remember, 6 straight down months in a row a one day does not make a trend. And you can go up before you make new lower lows. But right now, we're willing to take anything that's willing to go up. And we have the earnings season coming. Does bad news become good news? So your stock has bad news, but it goes up. That is in the cards, and that is part of what? Market volatility, and it works both ways. Or you could have a really good report, and the guidance could be bad, and then the stocks fall. But within the trend, as a master of this trend, that is a one-day turn with a gap into a 50-day. If we gap up above the 50-day, then we look to see if we can rally. And then do the volume come in? The buyers, the volume. We need to see 2-to-1 average daily volume in the Nasdaq Composite Index as far as movement goes and whatnot. So that is our whole thing right there on that index going into a Friday with a 3-week earnings cycle coming, and every rally has been sold. So we're proceeding with cautious, but we're very optimistic that when you get bear market rallies, you're supposed to really rally up. And bear markets have bigger volume. But this bear market little rally is missing both the volume there and the volume there. Good luck and a happy weekend.